You're welcome to my channel, and this is Dynamic Educational Hub. This is a channel we learn mathematics, we learn physics and chemistry. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about properties of matrix operation. When you have various operations in matrices, there are properties. Especially this video is going to be two. Now this is the first video which you are going to look at the properties of addition operation and multiplication operation. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, kindly subscribe to my YouTube, and if you please watch my previous video going to mix any part of my explanation. Now, properties of matrices operation. First operation we are going to talk about is addition operation. Now the first thing here is addition operation is commutative, that is a plus b is equals to b plus a. When you're adding two matrices together, when you have two different matrices and you're adding them together, it's very simple. Either you pick the first one plus the second one, or the second one plus the first one, you still get the same answer. That is why a plus b is equals to b plus a. Now scalar multiplication is distributive over addition operation of matrix. Now we talk about scalar multiplication of matrix. Now if you have a scalar, which means a constant, a number, a constant here, and you have two matrices, you are adding them together, you have their sum here, you can simply do this. You can use this n to expand your operation, the addition operation. So we can have n open bracket a plus b is still the same thing as what na plus nb. You still get the same answer. Either you solve this one, you add it together and use this one to expand your answer to get your answer, or you do it this way, you still get the same answer. That is scalar multiplication is distributive over addition operation. The next one is addition of matrix with zero matrix is equal to the matrix. I've talked about zero matrix in my first video, which was about 1 year ago, the first video a year ago. Now this one, when you have a matrix and you add it with a zero matrix of that matrix, maybe you have 2 by 2 matrix and you add it with zero matrix of 2 by 2, you still get your 2 by 2 matrix, you still get the same answer. Zero matrix, you have 0 0 0 as your element of that matrix, so it doesn't change the fact. It's just as if you're adding 2 plus 0 to get 2 back. So that is that. Now let's quickly look at properties of multiplication operation in matrices. Now the first one is multiplication operation is not commutative, that is matrix together. When in my previous video that we talked about vector multiplication of matrix. Now let's see, in my previous video I've solved this question where we have a matrix a b. Now we want to multiply them together, a b, and this is our result. And I also solved b a. Now let's check the answer if they are the same. This is AB, the answer is here. This is BA. We discovered that they are not the same. That is for matrix. AB can never be the same as BA. So that is matrix, which means multiplication operation is not commutative. And the next one, multiplication operation is associative, that is AB in brackets and you have C outside is still the same thing as when you use C to expand it. It's very simple. What it means is that if you have two matrices multiplied together here and you have another matrix outside, you can simply pick the first matrix, this one and this one, multiply by this one, or you pick this one, you separate it, you multiply these two together and you multiply this one with them, so you still get the same answer. That is multiplication operation is associative. Now multiplication operation of matrix is distributive over addition operation. That is, now when you have addition operation of two different matrices in a bracket like this and you have another matrix outside, now you can simply use the one outside to expand the one inside. So which means a bracket b plus c will still give you ab plus ac. Now the same way, if you have b plus c, be careful. For b plus c and you have your a outside, it is going to be another different game. Now, which means you use your b to multiply a, ba, and use your plus c to multiply a. That gives us ba plus ca. That is multiplication operation of matrix is distributive over addition operation. The same thing goes with subtraction operation. Now let's look at scalar multiplication properties as well. Now if you have a scalar, a constant, and you also have your matrix multiplied by another constant here, you can simply multiply the two constants together before you multiply them with your matrix. That is what this one is saying here, where Rs are constants and A is a matrix. When you have your matrix SA, a constant multiplied by your matrix A, and you also have another constant outside, you can simply multiply the two constants together, and then before you multiply with your matrix, you still get the same answer. So that is that about the properties of addition operation, matrices, and properties of multiplication operation in matrices. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon shown in order to get notified when I release a new video. Thank you. Stay blessed.